Hello friends, come and join me. Let's draw a cute cloud. Let's begin.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John. Morning bells are ringing. Morning bells are ringing. Ding dang dong. Ding dang dong.
This cloud is very special and likes to drift around, making shapes in the sky for everyone to see. It brings a touch of magic and imagination to the sky.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John. Morning bells are ringing. Morning bells are ringing. Ding dang dong. Ding dang dong.
This cloud makes shapes in the sky.
Sleeping? Are you sleeping?
What shapes do you see when you look at the clouds?
Morning bells are ringing. Morning bells are ringing. Ding dang dong. Ding dang dong. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John. Morning bells are ringing. Morning bells are ringing. Ding dang dong. Ding dang dong. Ding dang dong. Ding dang dong.
This cloud brings magic to the sky. What magical things would you do if you were a cloud? This cloud floats gently in the sky. Can you pretend to float like a cloud? And now, let's color this cute cloud. First up, we have purple. Then, pink. Next is gold yellow. We have red. And blue. That is excellent. This cloud looks soft and fluffy, like a cotton candy. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.